We're going to look at trading highlights from July 17th, 2009. Notice in our charts they are sped up some. You are looking at a pound-dollar 4-hour chart. We really don't want people sitting here for hours and hours watching something in real time, so we've tried to consolidate down and cut out as much of the sideways movement as we could. This is July 17th on this chart. July 17th was a Friday, and a lot of people are uncomfortable with taking and holding positions overnight. This trade was picked up late Friday afternoon. The trend was up, so if you're sitting here looking at it and you're watching the trade, it is still a valid trade, still a really logical, good trade. So a couple things to think about and remember here when we're looking at this. You notice in our system we put our stop in around 63.15. We're in around 63.65, so we're working with a 50 pip stop, not a super wide stop. So if this is going to go against us, we're not going to get hurt too bad. And our profit target's right over the highs of the previous couple days. So we're really looking at a 2-to-1 reward to risk kind of ratio. We're going to sit and look at this and kind of watch this play out, and we'll come back here in a couple of minutes to talk about it. Okay, still in this trade. You can see we're a couple hours in. Price has started to move up. We're back above where we got in, so we're in a little bit of profit. Always a good thing. What we're going to see right here is we're going to move the stop to break even here pretty quickly. One thing that we really try and do in our systems is lock in profit and get to break even as quick as we can. Really sticking with 30 to 50 pips is the stop or the break even. So we're going to see that here real quick. You'll see that play out and actually happen right there. And we'll be back to talk about this shortly. As you can see, we're still in this trade. Now we're the fourth or fifth bar into it. Our stop is moving up. We're still locking in profit with our trailing stop. Pretty solid good trade. So we'll let this run a little bit, and we'll come back here in a couple minutes and catch up on what's happened since we've been gone. Obviously, we've seen a real nice little pop here. Still in the trade, locked in. Really nice profit here. Looks like we've locked in probably 100 plus pips. Big winner. Always nice to see these. They always help the account. Trailing stop continuing to follow us up here. We'll let this play itself out, and we'll recap this as we get to the end of this trade. Okay, still in this trade. We've been basically straight up since 162.80, around that area. We're now at 165.30. Real big gain. A lot of up bars in there, so we're going to see some retracement here, and then we're going to get stopped out. But we're going to get stopped out with a pretty substantial gain, like 130 pips or so. You know, this is one of those trades you just want to let run and pick up when you can. We appreciate everybody watching. Please check back with us, see what else is going on with our systems, and watch our videos. Thanks.